you know? If I'm being honest here, I don't really want to film this. In order to give you guys a proper review of this foundation today, I'm gonna need to work out in this foundation. These are so good, by the way. Let me show you what they are. They're really good. They're really yummy. I'm gonna give you an update before we jump in, because I have no idea what foundation I'm reviewing today. My sink is clogged. I don't even want to show you. It's been clogged. I've been sharing the one, the only quarantine bucket list on my TikTok, so come check me out on TikTok. Walking in. Well then. Okay, walking out. Secret compartment. Oh, what is that you say? You don't have a secret compartment in your house? I give you my couch. There's a lot of secret things in here, including makeup and a lot of tie-dye things. We can review this guy. I haven't really heard anyone talk about him. I think we're gonna do him in the back here. Oh, I broke it. Come on, I need you. Time to play. Oh boy, got it. We're gonna be reviewing and swatching the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. Maybe this will make me feel a little bit better knowing that I am going to literally work out with this on my face. Like, I'm trying to fix all this. Dedication, okay? Still working on this. It doesn't look that cute yet. Hi. Hey. Oh, lordy lord. Do not fall, please. Jeez. Oh my gosh. We Gucci. I will never say that again. Hi. Cute. Okay, let me go do a beautiful makeup and film it for TikTok. I'll be back. I finished it. I don't really like this inner corner thing going on, but hi. Okay, we finished the eyeballs. Let's try this foundation. Okay? Okay. I found them at Costco. I'm gonna apply some primer. I have my Radiance Primer from Smashbox. What? I always put on a Radiance Primer. I feel like it helps really brighten the skin, if you know what I'm saying. I've also been really liking the Professional Primer. I put a lot. I always have to put a pore filling primer or else I get mad at myself. This is some behind the scenes. I want to know if you guys like this better than me just... Would you rather me just jump into the foundation review? Because, to be honest with you, it's boring. That is boring. And now for the foundation, which I left over there. So here's our little set. I am going to swatch all of them for you right now. Hi, I'm back. And this still hasn't moved. So this actually came in a PR package, came with a lot of stuff. It came with 4 different things. The foundation, I cannot read you. It came with the foundation, glow stick, tinted lip oil, and the Clean Fresh Cream Blush. Say that 5 times fast. Clean Fresh Cream Blush. Clean Fresh Cream Blush. Clean Fresh Cream Blush. Blah, blah, blah. It's formulated without formaldehydes, all the bad stuff. It's lightweight. I've heard good things about it. It's $10. Let's go for it. I think it comes, these are all the shades that it comes in. Light, let's look at light, medium, and medium. For me. Okay, ready. This one is light medium. This shit smells like coconuts. Wow, I will hands down say that this smells better than any foundation I've ever smelled in my life. Oh my God, I love you. Wow, where's the other shade? Oh, okay. I hate to do this, but do you know what the perfect shade always is? When you mix. I really hate to do this, and I've gotten like screamed at in the comments very many times for doing this. 2 shades, light medium and medium mixed together on a sponge, dry sponge. Because I kind of want this a little heavier of a coverage because I decided to put, you know, bright ass eyeshadow on. So I'm kind of comparing this to the It Cosmetics and Fenty Beauty. It Cosmetics CC Cream and Fenty Beauty Hydrating. Those are my favorites. I probably honestly could have just gone with light medium, but I don't really care to be pale. Well, it looks like someone took a shit upstairs. Apartment living. Love it. Love it. Love it. It feels good so far. Like, it's giving like a pretty good like coverage. Definitely not like a heavy coverage. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel heavy. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna try applying it with this brush. Granted, I did apply this. I did use my, yeah, see, if I applied the light medium by itself, I would have cried. I definitely feel like I'd be a sponge with this. This is definitely oxidizing. I can confirm. All right, I'm coming up close to the camera so you guys can see it. Look at all my pores and my skin. It looks good, honestly. I think that it looks good. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead, apply the rest of my products. Want to let you know that I double conceal and want to show you my concealer. I've been using the Shape Tape Glow Wand, and you guys know I always use the Shape Tape in light medium, but I use the Glow Wand and it just provides this like beautiful glow. I like to like do it like this, but I do have a code. I have a code with Tarte now. Isn't that amazing? I think I almost cried. You know, I think I almost cried a little. It's just my name, Julia. Saves you 15% on your purchase. And yes, that's 15% off Shape Tape. And the Glow Wand, if you want to try it too, you'll see when I'm done like blending this out, like it just leaves like a really nice sheen. Rude train, rude. Real rude. But it like gives like a glow to the face. And then I put my concealer on top of it. Just like that. And it's just gonna leave a nice like glow on the skin. I'm gonna go finish this and I will be back in a jiff. I try to like sit and relax while I like do these things, and then I get mad at myself because now it's like 4:30. Why? I can see in my mouth. I want to get these teeth fixed. They're like going in. They stick out a little. Okay, so here is the final look. I'm actually like, I was a little rocky on this blending here. But I actually like the way that it came out. And the foundation looks really good. I actually really like it. I would definitely say it's like a dupe to like the Fenty possibly. Look at my veins. I like it. It looks good. It looks good. I cannot believe I'm gonna work out with this heavy of a makeup on, but hopefully that will suffice. Yeah, let's go with that one. Okay. Okay, I need to change into some workout clothes. So, real matchy. Cute. Always have to put my hair in a high ponytail. I can't believe I'm working out in this makeup. I'm just having some coffee. The workout starts in literally 3 minutes. Who's ready to see how this makeup does? You guys want to see me break an apple in half while we wait for this workout to start? Oh, yeah. I will do it. I'm getting it. It's happening. Yes. I am a beast. Without
the equipment that we will need, dumbbells or knees. Let's go.
Here's what the makeup looks like.
Get working. We're all here. We're all ready.
Still looks good.
Those elbows nice.
Jesus.
Oh. Got 20 seconds.
That looks good.
Surface, chair, whatever.
I keep feeling like there's something in my eye. My face is so itchy and I can't touch it. Coffee was not a good idea.
Nice team. Good work. Good work. Let's go. No camera crew. Let's go. Let's get it done.
No camera crew. Yeah. Almost done. It is holding up pretty freaking well, actually. Wow.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Alright guys, workout is done. I tried my absolute best to avoid touching my face. It was actually really hard because like all my hair is like sticking to my face right now. Ugh, and it's itchy. I don't know how people wear makeup to the gym. Like, oh my god, your skin must hate you. Oh my god, is that the rain? It just started pouring. All right, so here's the makeup. I'm gonna flip the camera around because I wish the front camera was as good as the back camera. Do you guys ever think that? Like, come on, Apple, get it together. Like, I'm sweaty, but like, this stuff did not move. Like, it still looks good to me. It did crease and get like a little weird up here. And it kind of looks like, I mean, it looks a little pory, but like I did make it a little like on the heavier side. I definitely think the texture wise and like everything about this foundation is so similar to the way that like my CC cream and like the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter foundation is on my skin. And I love both of those. I mean, like, I'm happy. I mean, granted, let's talk a second. I would never wear this working out. And I sure as hell would not wear this like this. The eyeballs working out. But other than that, like, it looks good. And I also, by the way, put the blush on. I mixed these two colors together. I put the blush on and I also put the highlighters on. So I put these two, Flush and Butterflies. What cute shade names. So Guilty on my cheek, but I topped it with a Wet n Wild highlighter. It looks pretty good. Like, it stayed on. It stayed on. I'm happy with it. I probably will continue to mix those two shades together. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have tried this foundation before. I'm curious as to what your thoughts are. Big thumbs up. We'll definitely be using this again, especially because it smells bomb. Comment down below, let me know what your shade is, if you've tried this before, what you think, and I will chat with you guys next time, and welcome back to Foundation Friday.